Letting go spells can be really, really simple things, and they're so useful for letting go of relationships or letting go of situations that you no longer want to feel connected to, either emotionally or energetically. So that's what I'm going to show you today, is how to do a letting go spell using the element of water. But before I do, if you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com, and if you want to become a witch or a Wiccan, hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss any videos. Now, you can use this spell in conjunction with anything else that you're doing or using to help you let go of the situation. So, for example, I have a video about cord cutting, and I'll pop the link to that in the description field below this video so that you can check that out later. And you can use this spell in conjunction with any cord cutting rituals that you may want to do. Also, if you're going through any types of therapy or any kind of processes that you're using maybe to help you through a grieving process, this spell is great to help you assist with that process. Magic is great for clearing energy. It's good for working with people and situations. It's not a cure-all for emotional experiences. So if you're going through a lot of emotional turmoil due to letting go, this spell will help assist you with being able to release that, but it's not necessarily going to make you actually feel all bright, chirpy and happy afterwards. Magic doesn't work the way it does in the movies, I'm afraid. So when it comes to emotions, magic is great at assisting with the process, but it won't actually fix your emotional situation for you. You've actually got to put in other work to do that. So having said that, let's move along to the spell itself. So I'm working with the element of water, which is a very cleansing element. You can of course do letting go with earth and fire and even air. In this case, it's water. I've got here a bowl of water. There, now you can fill that bowl full of water if you want to. I've only got mine half full for this. I've got 3 oils that I'm using. Now, if you don't have the oils, you can also use fresh herbs. You could even use dry herbs, but fresh would be better. If you don't have all the oils, that's okay. One of them is enough. Be aware that some oils can irritate your skin, so you may need to be careful about which oils you're actually using. Frankincense can irritate the skin, so can bergamot. So, and there's some of the oils that I'm using. So that's one of the reasons why I'm using a bowl of water and immersing the hands in the water or the feet into the water rather than bathing in these oils. But if you've got other oils that you can substitute, and there are substitute oils that you can use, you can certainly do a magical bath to help you with letting go. And you can also use these herbs in the shower by simply putting them in a cup of water and pouring them over yourself when you're having a shower. So with any kind of magic, you want to tell the oil what it is you're wanting it to do. So putting the oil of bergamot to relieve sadness and depression and bring joy. Oil of rosewood to cleanse myself of sadness, and oil of frankincense for clarity. So they're the oils I'm using. I should have said that first. Bergamot, rosewood, and frankincense. So the oils are there. Now you want to tell the water what you want it to do. So you're wanting it to cleanse, you're wanting to release. So you want to charge the water with your intention. So putting your hands over the bowl of water and allowing your energy, bringing the energy up through your spine from the earth and out through the palms of your hands, just telling the water, I bless and consecrate this water to help me release all attachments to this person, relationship or situation, which of course you'll be more specific about because you know you'll have your own relationship or the name of the person or the name of the situation that you're wanting to release yourself from. Once you've felt that that is charged up with your intention, you just simply stick your hands in and then feel the energy of whatever it is that you feel you've been holding on to, moving through your body, out through your hands and into the bowl of water. And you can do that for as long as you feel that you need to do that. You can feel the emotion running through your body and out through your hands. You can also do it with your feet. So you could immerse your feet into the bowl of water and have the energy going through your feet into the water. It really doesn't matter whether it's your hands or whether it's your feet. You just want to be having somewhere for that energy to flow out of. Do this for 9 days, okay? Rather than just doing it as a one-off, this sort of thing is something that needs to be built and repeated over time. So do it for 9 days. 9 is a good number for completion. So 9 days, I would recommend to do this ritual. When you're finished with the water, you can get rid of the water. Now you can just pour it down the drain, and it's still, obviously it's going to leave your home and go wherever your drain goes. So it is okay to do that. Some people get a bit funny about just throwing things down the drain. That's perfectly fine. Otherwise, take the water and actually pour it outside of your premises, so away from your home, because you're wanting to let it go. So you're not wanting it to stay around in your home. So either it goes down the drain or you go and pour it out somewhere away from your home. And that's it. It's that simple. And of course, if you're wanting to be more strategic with your spell work and have more success with your spells, I do have a free PDF. It's called the Spellcaster Checklist. I'll put the link to that below this video so you can check that out. If you like the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Comment, let me know how you go with the spell. I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. Blessed be.